Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 17 plate carbon Schwartz metallic 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. The vehicle features a Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and alongside that is a set of brand new 20-inch 405 M style alloys. Sitting just behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this wonderful Gran Coupe, that does mean we've got the full M Sport Plus package. It's got the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps on this vehicle, and you can see throughout it's a very clean and tidy example. Again, featuring on the rear windows as part of that Plus package, you can see the sun protection glazing, and there you can see how well all of the additions we've made to the exterior work really well with that carbon black exterior colour. The interior again works nicely, being that it is a full black Dakota leather. In the front comes with the heated and electric lumbar option, and you can see that's all in really great condition. You do of course have the Harman Kardon surround sound, once again thanks to the Plus package. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox on the car, and we shall talk more about the interior features shortly. Rear seats, we have 3 seats there, all featuring Isofix along with a central folding armrest. And we do of course have our darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the very rear of the car, you can see again just how well these alloys suit the Gran Coupe, and of course that carbon black exterior colour. We opted to go for the carbon effect rear spoiler along with a satin rear diffuser on this 4 Series. You will of course find a automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes, along with a very large boot area, and you can remove both the bottom and top partial shelves along with split folding seats, which will of course give you access to further more room. Round on the driver's side, once again we can try and demonstrate the difference between a carbon black and a black sapphire vehicle. So you can see here at the rear it's a nice dark blue, and moving on to the front towards the front door and wing area, you can see it goes towards a very nice black colour. Really nice exterior choice is the carbon Schwartz metallic, and I shall hop on inside and just talk yourselves through a couple of this vehicle's interior features. It comes with the extended storage. We've also got power folding mirrors, which you can be activated just over here using the button, or of course holding the lock button on the key fob. Professional wide navigation and media, and we'll run through just a couple of the features and functions of that shortly, beginning with the sat nav, which is a really intelligent system. It utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. In terms of keeping you connected via your Bluetooth, you've got telephone and audio. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including a music collection, AUX, USB, and of course we've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Back at the main menu in just 1 second, we'll hop over and have a look at the service history and requirements. Dual climate control, I already mentioned the front seats are of course heated. It's covered just over 36,000 miles. Does has the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. You'll also see the paddles for that wonderful 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is a real credit to anything within the BMW range that has it. It's got 2 services from BMW, as you can see on screen now, and shortly we will be carrying out our own service on the car, as it is coming up to our service parameters of anything that gets 3,000 miles or 3,000 miles and below. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like to get in contact with us here, you'll find all of the contact information down below, or of course you can find a link also to our website to view the car with some pictures, and of course all of the funding and pricing options on there as well. Thank you guys, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.